Hi, this is Michael Wild again, and here's your estate planning tip of the week. So this tip is regarding asset protection. Now, asset protection sometimes has a bad connotation where people think that it's hiding assets illegally or avoiding the IRS. It's none of that. Everyone has some level of asset protection already. Some of it is constitutionally provided to us, such as homestead property. Your house is protected from most liens, other than mortgage liens or secured liens like that, homeowners associations, property taxes, and mechanics liens, so if you don't pay a roofer, a plumber, something like that. But most other liens, especially unsecured liens, are not able to be put on your homestead property because of the Florida Constitution. Marital assets receive some level of protection in the state of Florida. Annuities, retirement accounts, life insurance, all of these give some level of asset protection. And so it's not anything that you're doing wrong. In fact, it's something you're doing right. By having your assets protected, you have a less likelihood of being sued, either in a situation where you have done something to hurt someone, or in a situation where it's just fraud. Someone's accusing you of doing something that you haven't done. So asset protection is key. Asset protection should always be a component of your estate planning. And the key is to make sure you understand that asset protection technique and how it needs to be used, how it needs to be funded. It doesn't make sense to have an irrevocable trust that has nothing in it. It doesn't make sense to have an LLC that you use as your own personal bank account and don't respect the entity where it can be pierced by a creditor. It's not enough to go on a LegalZoom or go on a Sunbiz and set something up yourself and to just have the paper or to just have the company set up and to have the tax ID number. It's not enough. You have to understand how the actual document or entity protects you, what you must do on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis, and what you have to do to get the assets in and protect it. You have to respect the entity. You have to respect the process. You have to respect the technique. For all asset protection concerns, you need to seek out an attorney that specializes in asset protection, not just someone that's read something. WFP Law, we handle all areas of estate planning and asset protection. We offer free consultations. Call us today if you have any questions about asset protection or estate planning. We'd be happy to help you. I'm Michael Wild, and that's your estate planning tip of the week.